Welcome to our tutorial on the %EOF built-in function in IBM I. Today, we'll break down how to use %EOF to determine file end conditions in your RPGLE programs. %EOF is a built-in function in RPGLE used to check if you've reached the end of a file or other specific conditions, such as the beginning of a file or a full subfile. Instead of checking for the results of file operations manually, %EOF simplifies this by directly indicating these conditions. End of file detection. When reading records from a file, %EOF returns on if the end of the file has been reached. This applies to operations like READE, READC, and READE beginning of file detection. When using operation like READP and READPE, %EOF returns on if the beginning of the file is reached. Subfile full condition. For subfiles, %EOF returns on if a write operation is performed when the subfile is full. Successful searches. After a successful chain operation, %EOF is set to OFF, indication that the record was found. Let me take you through the code. File declaration. We declare task PF for input and output with the external file reference. Open task PF. Prepares the file for reading. The DAO loop continues as long as %EOF. Task PF is off, meaning we haven't reached the end of the file. Read task PF. Reads a record from the file. After reading %EOF, task PF is checked. If it's on, the loop ends. If not, we process and display the record's name. Finally, close task PF, close the file. By using %EOF, you streamline your file handling code, avoiding manual checks and improving code readability. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %EOF built-in function in IBM I RPGLE by Programmers.io. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials on our channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you next time.